Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my mini IKEA haul. Now I'm saying a mini haul because I've really only got a handful of items. Now you would have seen on my previous video that we went to IKEA and we love going to IKEA. We love walking around there, looking at their setups and getting inspiration. Didn't actually pick up any big ticket items, but we did come home with a handful of items that we thought were essential. I don't think we've ever been to IKEA and come home with nothing. You always come home with something, whether it's candles, napkins, or you know, whatever it is. So I must say candles and napkins are actually on the list that I'm going to show you. So without further ado, let me get to this haul. The first item that I'm going to show you is a much needed item. I have the Billy bookshelf just behind me here in my wardrobe, and the Billy bookshelf has really helped me to organise my wardrobe in such a way. It's actually made my life a lot easier. I'm not even kidding you guys. I don't know if you saw that video of me decluttering my wardrobe, but my wardrobe has very much so stayed the same since I've decluttered it. And I think that's all it needed, was some system in place. So, you know, I can now go into each of these and I know what's inside. I've got jeans in that one, jumpers in that one, and so on. So my husband's wardrobe has not been decluttered yet. He's also got the Billy bookshelf. We picked up 2 extra wooden shelves for his Billy bookshelf. We also picked up this glass Billy shelf, and what we're going to do with this, like I've done with my one, I've organised like perfumes on there. He's going to do the same for his wardrobe. So he's probably going to do it, or I'm going to probably end up doing it. But either way, it's going to get done. We've just picked up these 2 to get organised and decluttered. Okay, so next, as I did mention, are napkins. Now, there's 2 items I feel that when you go into IKEA, you cannot come home without them. So one is napkins and one is candles. So anytime we go into IKEA, we always get this large pack of white napkins. The napkins are such good quality. They're not dusty. They're just a good quality napkin. So we always get these as an essential. Okay, so the next item, like I mentioned before, you cannot go into IKEA and not come home with candles or napkins. IKEA, they have a whole range of candles, all different scents. You get the ones in the glass jars, you get like the tea lights like I'm showing you here, and you get 30 tea lights in a pack, and these are the 4-hour burning ones, and they smell absolutely gorgeous. These are the vanilla ones that I picked up. I tend to just get the vanilla ones when I go to IKEA, or around Christmas, seasonal times, I might get the spicy ones, like the cinnamon ones. I tend to use Tealight candles after cooking in the kitchen. I use them mainly in the bathroom. When I'm having a relaxing, pampering bath, I will put them in a nice Tealight jar and just have them around the bath to light up the bathroom. Rather than have the light on, I'll just use candlelight in the bathroom. Just find that so relaxing and so soothing. So those are the Tealight candles there from IKEA. Okay, so next up, we actually picked up another one of these boxes. This is for my husband's wardrobe to get it all organised. So we were going to get the grey ones. They do actually have more colours of these now coming into spring. We saw some lovely colour ones, but we just thought we'd just stick with the white. And I just picked up another white one of those. Really, really handy, and I'm sure this is going to help us to get organised in that other wardrobe. Next up, we picked up these glass jars. These are called the Pruax jars. And it's the 365 plus range in IKEA. Now, the reason why we got these, we do actually have glass dessert jars down in the kitchen, but sometimes you just want to have a small portion of dessert. I thought a smaller glass would definitely come in handy. You can actually use these to put little snacks in as well, like peanuts or sweeties. Even maybe a candle can go in them, because it is quite a nice size. I think these were $2.50 for 6 jars. That's why we love IKEA so much, because you get such good value for your money in there, and it suits everyone's budget. You know, there's something for everyone in IKEA. We just absolutely love it. Okay, so next on the list was another item from the 360 range, and this is a potato peeler. Got one of these in the kitchen already, but they're so good, and I'm just thinking that IKEA have had these in for a while, and this always happens to me. Anytime I buy something that I like and I go back to get it in the store, they've either sold out or it's actually discontinued. So I actually hate peeling potatoes and vegetables, but this item here, one is the IKEA Vodful 365 plus range. It's absolutely amazing, guys. This peels potatoes like putting a knife through butter. This actually makes my life a lot more easier. I can peel my vegetables very quickly with this, and it works a dream. I'll definitely recommend this item from Ikea. Even if you go in Ikea just to have a look around at their kitchen items, get one of these, guys, because they're absolutely brilliant. If you've got one of these already, please let me know in the comment how you get on with it, because I just find this so great, honestly. Amazing. Okay, so the last item that we picked up in Ikea was another storage solution item. Now, it's initially for shoes, but what I'm going to do this, I'm actually going to hang this in our understairs cupboard to put like umbrellas, gloves, scarves, accessories, things like that in there. And also, I thought I can use it just to put everyday things in there, like tape measures. I always misplace my tape measure. So I thought if I have it in something like this, along with some other DIY essentials, this will kind of make our lives a lot easier. So I love this item. I've actually seen some people use this on Pinterest and how they've used it to put their accessories in. I just thought that was such a great idea. I know there's a lot of pictures on Pinterest of how people have used this, but I'd be interested to know if any of you guys have got this and how you've actually used it around your home. So that's that item there. Okay, so that's the end of my mini Ikea haul, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. Please let me know actually in the comments below of what you would like to see me doing on my channel. I'll be interested to know, and I will try my best to fill those contents for you. So I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and I know some of you don't understand the whole YouTube thing, but if you're not subscribed, the button should be red, and then when you are subscribed, it's grey. So just keep an eye on that. You only need to subscribe once and you're subscribed, because what's been happening, I've been saying at the end, I've been saying through my videos, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next videos. Some of you guys are so sweet, and you know, I forgive you for not really understanding the whole YouTube thing. It's taken me a while to understand it. I'm still getting to learn about it myself. But like I said, once you are subscribed and you hit that red button, it will turn grey and you are subscribed. So you don't need to click on it again to be unsubscribed, you know. Just please keep subscribed. So I promise that I'm going to be putting out some new great content, so please keep tuned for that, and I will see you on the next video. So take care for now.